Hello Silverholics! Today I have an unboxing from my latest order with Atlantic and Silver Center for you all. This is the last order I was able to place before the crash took place. So the next video with Silver and Gold will likely be an update on the State of the Stack series, where I will show you my stack as it was when the crisis started. If you have not subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Hitting the like button also helps with views, so if you can do that too, I would really appreciate it. Now, let's have a look at precious metals. I finally received this order today after a week of waiting. This was the first time I ordered from Atlantic Gold and Silver Center. I will make a review in an upcoming video. Wow, they put hot glue everywhere. Let me try to get rid of this off camera. Okay, so that took me about 3 minutes just to remove this box from the other one, so they did put a lot of effort into making sure this thing wouldn't move. Yeah, so despite all of their work, they forgot to put some tapes on the tube, so the tube opened during transport, and I really hope that the bars are not damaged. Okay, let's have a look at these. Here's the silver I got in this order. Those are Asahi 1-ounce silver bars. The price was good when I placed the order. Now that the market has collapsed, not as much. Hopefully, the recovery will push way past the purchase price. So I ordered 20 of them, which is getting my silver stack close to what I had in mind for the whole year. And we're just in March of 2020. I love silver bars for the foundation of my stack. I'm curious to know if any of you guys use silver bars for their very low cost purchases, or if you're more of a bullion stacker for the foundation. Let me know in the comments. So we're at the early stage of the pandemic. How are you guys coping? I have placed myself in voluntary quarantine for about 2 weeks now. I'll decide what to do after that. I am in the high-risk group because I have type 2 diabetes. So for me, the longer I wait before exposing myself, the better it is. What about you guys? Comment on how this has changed your life and how you are dealing with the situation. Now, let's have a look at what you probably all want to see. Some gold. Here we go. This is my first 1 ounce gold coin. The website did not specify the year. It said gold maple leaf between the year of 1979 and 1982, if memory serves. Let's see what it is. Wow, this looks amazing. All of my other gold coins are much smaller, so having something this size is really great. This is my third purchase for the gold challenge that another overtaxed taxpayer did. Considering how gold has been performing in this crash, I am really happy that all that money went into gold and not silver. I'm sure silver will bounce back though, but gold has outperformed anything I can think of. So are you guys stacking any gold? Right now I'm waiting for the prices for both palladium and platinum to bottom out. And I plan to add that to my stack too. With the automobile industry shutting down completely, the price of those two metals should fall like a coyote off of a cliff. Look at all the details. These maple leaf coins are stunning. The nice thing about gold is that it doesn't react with anything. So this piece is 40 years old now and it looks brand new. The crazy thing about these coins is the value that they placed on them, like $50. I don't think it was worth $50 even decades before it was produced. So I paid just a tad under $2,300 for it. Those are Canadian dollars, of course. So with the recent crash, I think the value went down about 10% total, which is really good compared to everything else. But still, I would have preferred to purchase it at a lower price. So what are you guys expecting silver to bounce up to? My guess is it's probably gonna go back up to about 40 something dollars per ounce. That would be US. In Canada it topped at 50 as well, because at that time the Canadian dollar had gained a lot of value on the American dollar, so they were about at par. But our dollar is worth about 30% less. So unless that changes, our dollar should, you know, stay at that point. And so in Canada, silver prices should probably be about 30% higher. So probably like in the 60s or something, 60s to 70s. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so any help you can give me would be really appreciated. I have about 10 videos in the works, so plenty of content waiting to be published. I'm also thinking about adding a live stream. I just need to come up with something interesting to do. There are already a few good live streams, and I want to do something different. If you have any suggestions or ideas, let me know in the comments, please. So take care, everyone. Stay safe. And I hope you can find silver and gold at a decent price. Take care, everyone.